later.
Betway Premiership, this is the top football SA. Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Nginombatha la usontikazi ongakanani ngoba nasentembeni esandleni. Mbatha Mbeje uthini mntaka?
Hayi khona baba ke themba bezipesenteni na ahlale kunzima. Sabonga amakhosi. Sabonga amakhosi kakhulu.
Nawo amakhosi lambani babo.
Sabonga amakhosi. Sabonga mntaka abasele 1-0. Kamele na Premier League 1-1 le. Membership ihamba nathi. Yebo makhosi sabonga amakhosi. Ngiyathanda kodwa namhlanje hamba nawo.
Bayimoshile iGNU abantu. iGNU besifuna ukuthi Sundowns iwine thina. Asifuni
uthini manje?
Ngithi thina singafuni idraw besifuna ilose. iGNU today.
Utayisa ngeChiefs.
Asidayisi ngeChiefs. Sundowns iChiefs beyibuke stadium.
Yes. Yebo.
Thina Kotmane neyamakhosi amahle. We fight for ourselves. So they have to fight for themselves.
Sundowns.
Ingathembi
lina.
The Pirates.
Yes.
They have to fight for themselves.
They can't trust anyone else.
I have nothing to say.
Yes.
What I want to say is that good luck, Mamelodi Sundowns take this league.
Yes. But you disturb them.
Please, I want Sundowns to take the league.
Yes.
But Pirates must not disturb Sundowns. No win for you.
Yes.
A lose is a lose, a win is a win for Sundowns. Please, Sundowns.
Thank you.
Yabona mina ngijabule kakhulu ngijabule ngathi ngafa ngathi ngibela phezulu kwendlu ngoba abantu bathengisa ngathi bathi hawu iKaizer Chiefs ama-underdog ahamba kuphela lalela-ke layo size ke-win kodwa mina ngisuke vele ngikhathazile ngathi hayi sokora nge-first half bona abo-60 something minutes bazawuthatha leyo 1 point leyo
yenzeka vele nakhona
yenzeke kanjalo ukuthi zabe ivumile kodwa-ke lezi imnyama zona zikhohlwe ngoba zona-ke bayohlala kodwa i-orbit bayishaya 1-0 manje nje iPirates ayikhosanga ithathe iligi ngoba sonalaphi abone petrol ekhuphole diesel nje uthi iPirates number 2 asiyebodi
ngiyabonga boy.